guys, it's me again, Mom Shawie. So today, I'm going to share to you on how easy I'm presenting to you the easiest way to delete videos saved on your watch later. So guys, do you find so hard deleting all the videos that were saved on your watch later file? Are you one of those who are so bothered on how to delete these videos manually or one by one deletion? So today, I will show you on how to do this. It's very simple, very, very easy. When you do this, you can even say, huh? Done? Finish? Yes, definitely yes. Okay guys, let's talk. So guys, instead of deleting this one by one, in just a couple of clicks, pack, done, delete. This is indeed very easy to do. Okay? Click watch later. Look for the three dots, aligned dots. And then remove watch videos. Again, remove watch videos. And then remove watch videos, click removed. So this will remove all the watch videos from watch later file. Oh, see? No videos left. But the videos you have watched are still on your history. So, as an additional information, I'm going to share to you on how to remove watch history. On your account, look for the word settings. Then, click settings. And then click history and privacy. Then, click clear watch history. And then click search history, and this clear your watch history. So this list has no videos now. Isn't it simple? Hope I am imparting something informative today. If you like this video and all my videos or other videos, please do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much and God bless everyone. Thank you.